guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jeunie B and I'm back with another wig review. Today's wig review is courtesy of MaxGlam hair. MaxGlam was so kind enough to send me this human hair unit to review for you guys. So thank you so much to MaxGlam hair. Thank you so much to MaxGlam hair for sending me this unit to review for my subscribers. And speaking of subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in again. If you are new here or just passing through, be sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notifications bell. I would hate for you guys to miss out. We have so much fun here. So jumping right in, this is a unit from MaxGlam. It is 100% human hair. It is their deep wave curly unit cut in a bob style. The length is about 14 inches. Just giving you guys some standard specs. We do have combs and adjustable straps. There is a 6-inch parting space right down the middle. The parting space and the hairline is lightly pre-tweezed. This is a colored unit. I'm really feeling the color combination. You have dark roots, not a black, but more so of a dark brown, more probably like a dark chocolate color, but it is complemented with these very beautiful highlights. You guys, you have a variation of highlights. You have some honey blonde highlights, you have some warm golden tone type highlights. It is absolutely beautiful. The hair texture is described as curly, but I would even say maybe like a 3A, 3B, 3C type texture. Very, very nice. My natural hair care products responded very well to this unit. I applied my Design Essentials curling foam mousse. I've used that in previous videos with curly units, and I really love this look. You can wear this hair either like in a dry look or in a wet look. I went for a wet look today and I'm totally loving it. You can totally wear this unit down. I decided to kind of do a pin-up kind of a look, and I kind of did myself some cute little flat twists on the sides and let the bottom kind of hang out, and I really love the way that it came out. I really like this unit, you guys. The cap construction, the overall construction of the unit is very, very nice. Really good quality. The only thing that I would say that I would change or like to change, and again, this boils down to personal preference, is that I would have preferred to be able to do either a middle or a side part. You have to kind of commit to doing a middle part because of how the parting space is designed. But again, that comes down to personal preference. But the hair texture is so very, very nice. It looks very natural. Like this looks like this could be my hair. I really, really do adore that about this unit. I did not experience any tangling with this unit. Nothing serious. We're dealing with a curly, almost kinky type of a texture, and so you really can't, this is not hair that you're designed to kind of glide your fingers through. But I was able, when I was putting the product on my hair, it didn't give me any hassle, any trouble. Like I said, it responded very nicely to the natural hair care products that I use. You guys, I did not have to glue this unit down. That's another huge pro for me. The lace is described as Swiss lace that they use for the parting and the hairline. Very, very natural looking, very, very realistic. I love when I don't have to use glue on my human hair units and I can still get a very natural, realistic effect. That's a huge plus for me. The lace is very thin, so be careful, you guys. Thin is good though. We like thin lace because that helps to make it look more natural and more realistic. So when I did cut the hairline, cut the lace, I did get a little bit of shedding. And that's to be expected with this unit. I also, as I was putting product in the hair, got a little bit of shedding as well. But this is a human hair unit. It is colored, so we know, processed hair is going to just respond a little bit differently. But my goodness, this unit is absolutely gorgeous. This could even be like an everyday unit, you guys. It's so pretty. This is very healthy hair. So I am absolutely loving it. MaxGlam hair was so nice to send this very beautiful scarf, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And I really do like the packaging. It came in a very nice, it's not silk, but it's a very, it mimics silk, a silk bag that you can store your unit in after you wear it. So that was very, very nice as well. I think the unit is great quality at a very affordable price. I'll leave you guys some promotional offers in the description box below so you can get a discount off the hair. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. Until my next wig review, I will see you guys later. Bye.